Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to InnoTech Nexus. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. In this episode, we're going to unleash the incredible potential of this technology as we explore 3D printing unleashed, 10 practical applications you should know. From healthcare to architecture, from art to aerospace, 3D printing is transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of three-dimensional creation. 1. The basics of 3D printing. Before we dive into the applications, let's start with the basics. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, allows us to create objects layer by layer from digital designs. It's like magic, where digital dreams turn into tangible realities. 2. Revolutionizing prototyping. Gone are the days of costly and time-consuming prototyping. With 3D printing, designers and engineers can quickly iterate and test their ideas, slashing development time and costs. 3. Medical marvels. From personalized prosthetics to intricate surgical models, 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare. We'll explore how this technology is transforming patient care and medical research. 4. Custom creations in fashion. Fashion meets technology as 3D printing enters the world of clothing and accessories. We'll see how designers are creating unique, customizable pieces that push the boundaries of style. 5. Building the future. Architects and construction teams are embracing 3D printing to build houses, bridges, and even entire communities. We'll delve into how this technology is reshaping the way we construct our world. 6. Art and sculpture. Artists and creators are embracing 3D printing as a new medium for self-expression. We'll explore how sculptors and artists are pushing the boundaries of their craft, creating intricate and visually stunning pieces that were once thought impossible. 7. Aerospace Advancements. The aerospace industry is soaring to new heights with 3D printing. From lightweight components to complex engine parts, we'll see how this technology is revolutionizing aircraft design, making them more efficient and capable than ever before. 8. Culinary Creations. Believe it or not, 3D printing has entered the culinary world. Chefs are using this technology to create intricate food designs, personalized chocolates, and even entire meals. We'll take a bite into this innovative fusion of food and tech. 9. Environmental solutions. Sustainability meets innovation as 3D printing tackles environmental challenges. We'll explore how recycled materials and eco-friendly designs are paving the way for a more sustainable future, from waste reduction to marine conservation. 10. Education and empowerment. 3D printing isn't just for industries, it's also an incredible educational tool. Schools and makerspaces are using 3D printers to inspire creativity, teach STEM concepts, and empower students to bring their ideas to life. And there you have it, the incredible applications of 3D printing that are reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. From aerospace to art, from healthcare to education, the impact of this technology is undeniable. If you found this journey through 3D printing's potential as fascinating as I did, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring, creating, and embracing the transformative power of 3D printing.